What's up guys, this is Raf and welcome back. So it's this time again and Apple just had an event and it announced the new iPhone, the iPhone 13. So basically it's just an iPhone 12 with a little better specs, a different camera layout with a smaller notch and a 120Hz panel, but only for Pro models and app. They also announced the new Apple Watch, an upgraded entry-level iPad, and the new iPad mini, which I think the star of the show with its updated design and upgraded specs. I'm totally underwhelmed with iPhone 13 and we already know most of its design and specs. Of course, thanks to the leaks. So let's talk about it more. The design is still almost the same with iPhone 12. It will have the ceramic shield, a glass back with aluminum frame. They said it is much more durable than any previous iPhones, and it's still rated IP68. As always, iPhone do have great premium builds, so I expect the same with the iPhone 13. It's a little bit thicker also now since they added a bigger battery and the camera layout is different. They said they have done it because they've added a bigger camera on the standard iPhone 13. They also added new colors and we will now have a pink iPhone. With its specs, it will have the new A15 Bionic chip with a new 6-core CPU with 2 performance and 4 efficiency cores. It will have also new 4-core GPU, 5-core for Pro models, and a new 16-core neural engine. Of course, it will still have one of the best performance on a phone. It will also have an updated brighter OLED display and a 120Hz panel called ProMotion. But it's only for Pro versions only. It will also have a better 5G connections. For the camera, it will have a 12 megapixel dual camera for the regular and the mini versions, and triple camera system for the Pro versions and up. They have added a sensor shift OIS on the mini and the regular models, which are available only before on the 12 Pro versions. It will also have better stabilization now. It will be able to get more light in photos and videos in dark scenarios. So expect photos and videos to be better. They have added a new feature called cinematic mode for recording videos with shallow depth of field, just like in Hollywood films. They will also have now the option to record videos in ProRes files. In conclusion, these are all good upgrades, but for me, it didn't wow me, or maybe my expectations are just really high. Most of the new upgrades on the phone are the things that we always know. We know that it will have an upgraded performance, slightly better camera, or a bigger battery. I don't understand why the 120Hz is only for the Pro versions. Come on, even the cheap Android phones do have 120Hz panel. Cinematic mode and ProRes options are good, but those are not needed necessarily. The difference between the 13, the 12, or even the iPhone 11 that I use are not that much. The performance of my iPhone 11 is still awesome, and the camera is still really good. Anyway, iPhone 13 is still one of the best phones that you can get this year. But this is not the iPhone that I'm looking forward to upgrade. If the leaks are true, maybe it's best to look forward for the next year with the iPhone 14. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.